Hello guys, welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm going to talk about Kyutai TTS, that's text-to-speech model. The last time I showed you how to use Chatterbox TTS, so I'm going to show you how to use Kyutai TTS, but run it on Google Colabs utilizing the power of the free T4 GPUs. So let's check the official Kyutai TTS first. So I'm going to search for Kyutai TTS. So you can see that you have text input here. You can choose sound, you can play. So
It's small enough to fit in your pocket.
You can switch the sounds.
It's small enough to fit in your pocket.
So let's run this setup on Google Colab. So official documentation is on this GitHub here, Kyutai Pocket TTS. So let me show you how you're going to run this on Google Colabs. So first of all, you are going to need to visit this repo. It's in my GitHub repository. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Download this file here called Kyutai DCM Text-to-Speech .ipynb. So you're gonna need this notebook so that you can run this on Google Colabs. So let's download it. Click on that, and then on the three dots here, download. So I'm not going to download because I have it already. Next thing we're going to do is go to your search for Google Colabs. So go on Google Colabs. You can just create a new notebook and upload. Okay, just open Colab. So it's going to spin, loading. So here I just upload. Click on upload, browse, and upload the IPYNB, this one here that you've just downloaded. For me, I'm going to go to recents because I just uploaded it already. You click on that. So once you have that Colab running, it has two cells, two code cells. You are going to connect to, make sure you connect to GPU here. Make sure your runtime is changed to T4 GPU. So that's the real important thing if you want to run this. So we are going to utilize the power of Gradio on the UI side. So the setup is going to run on Google Colabs, but the UI will be on Gradio. Let's check that out. So run all, just run all. It's connecting with the runtime now. With a while, boom, running the first cell. All the dependencies and all that. Give it a while. So guys, the last time I showed you how to run a text-to-speech model was Chatterbox TTS. So you're going to compare this with Chatterbox TTS and tell me which one is best. But for me, I think I have I'm more towards Chatterbox TTS than Kyutai TTS. So you'll check that for yourself, mess around with it, and let me know. So it's almost done. So it's going to spin interface and on Gradio. That's a live URL that you're going to interact with the model now. Let's give it a while. Hit 9. So once the dependency are done, the next thing is to make sure that we have yes, this. Now click on this URL here, gradio.live. So that's it. So here we can select our voices. So this works on French and English. So you have your text goes here, voice, you can select the model that you want to use. If you select that, you can click on generate. It's going to generate using that voice. So
Oh,
listen.
the smell must have been atrocious. Oy vey. Are you like, so in what I know about, like,
So that's going to generate using this voice sample. So processing. You also have option to download here. Once it's done processing, you can also mess around with the audio settings, apply speed processing, and also remove silencer.
open source voice synthesis is finally getting good.
You see, you can download that one. You can also you can also randomize voice. You can choose a random voice.
If the red of the second bow falls upon the green of the first, the result is to give a bow with an abnormally wide yellow band, since red and green light when mixed form yellow.
So you can use that to generate that sample voice. So guys, mess around with it.
Open source voice synthesis is finally getting good.
Mess around with this Kyutai DCM text-to-speech, then tell me, is it more better than Chatterbox TTS? But from my own perspective, I think Chatterbox is still the real beast here. So I don't want to make the video so long, but check this one out and tell me. Like the video, share, and also subscribe. Peace out. See you on the next one.